Hi everyone, this is Iman Khurram and we are doing Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, Book 1, D1. Right now we are on exercise 1B. We are doing question number 3. Question number 3 is find each of the following by using prime factorization. The A part is we need to find out the cube root of number 3375. But before solving this question, I want to clear one thing which will help you in solving this question. As in my previous video, I told you guys to memorize the cubes of number 1 till 15. If some of you already know, I told in my previous video to memorize the cubes number 1 till 15 because these numbers, these cubes will help you in solving the so many questions. As in this question, we know that 3375 is 15 cube, is the perfect cube of 15. Means if we multiply 15 3 times, we get number 3375, right? If you do the above question, cube root 3375, if any one of you will solve the question like this, cube root, and if you know 3375 is the cube of 15, you write 15 cube instead of 3375 because 3375 and 15 cube is one and the same thing, right? Is one and the same thing. So this is the other way of writing 3375 as a 15 cube, because we all know cube root loves to eat cube, so that's why we will convert the inside number into a cube. As soon as cube root will see a cube, it will eat the cube and go away, and our answer will be 15, right? Even though your way of doing this question is right, but in this particular case, question number 3, they have clearly mentioned find each of the following by using prime factorization. Okay, they ask you to find out cube root of number 3375 and you already have found out the answer 15, but this way of solving the question is absolutely wrong because it has no prime factorization, because in this case we are not doing any prime factorization and we have to solve this question by using prime factorization, otherwise our answer will not be considered right. Clear? So now let's start doing this question, and for this we will do the prime factorization first. Okay, so let's start doing the prime factorization. 3375. 3375 is not an even number, so will not be divisible by 2. After 2, the next prime number is 3. Let's see either this number is divisible by 3 or not. To check it on 3, we have to take the sum of all the numbers. So 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 7, 13, 13 and 5, 18. So 18, yes, is divisible by 3. This means this number 3375 will also be divisible by 3. So yes, we can take 3 as a prime number to divide 3375. Let's divide this. Okay, when I divide 3375 by 3, my answer will be 1125. Again, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So the sum of this number will be 9, which is divisible by 3, means 1125 will also be divisible by 3. So let's divide this number again by 3. Okay, if I divide this number by 3, my answer will be 375. Let's divide this number again by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15, 125. Now 125, if I take the sum of this number, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. If 8 is not divisible by 3, this means number 125 will also not divisible by 3. So we will take another prime number, which is 5. We will divide this number by 5. If I divide 125 by 5, my answer will be 25, and 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Our prime factorization is done. So 3375 will be equal to how many 3's? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 3's. And how many 5's? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I will write 5 3 times as well. Okay, prime factorization is done so far, but we need to find out the cube root of 3375. So I will take the cube root of this side, 3375. If I take the cube root of this side, I have to take the cube root on this side as well. But inside a cube root, I will write all answers in cube, because as I have told you earlier, cube root is like a monster who loves to eat cubes. Okay, so we will provide cube root food in cubes, right? So 1, 2, 3, these three numbers will make 3 cube. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, these three numbers will make 5 cube. And as this cube root will see the cubes, it will eat all the cubes and go away, and so we will have only 3 into 5 left. So 3 5s are 15. So can I say that 3375 cube root will be equal to 15? This is it. As I told you earlier, it is the cube root of 15, but in this case we are doing prime factorization, and after that we are finding the cube root. So this is the right way of finding cube root of number 3375. Let's move to the B part of this question. And in B part, the question is find the cube root of 1728. If you have memorized the cubes of number 1 till 15, you all know that 1728 is equal to 12 cube. Means if I multiply 12 3 times, I get the answer 1728. Even though we know the answer, but we cannot solve it directly, because in question they have particularly mentioned find each of the following by using prime factorization. If we will not do the prime factorization, our answers will not be considered as the right answer, right? Because we are not fulfilling the criteria. So let's see, when we will solve it by prime factorization, are we going to get the 12 answer? Okay, so let's start doing the prime factorization. 1728, this is an even number, so will be divisible by 2. Let's divide this number by 2. Okay, when I divide this number by 2, I will get 862. I will again divide this number by 2, and my answer will be 432. Again I will divide this number by 2, and my answer will be 216. Again an even number, I will divide this number again by 2. 108. Be careful, some students forget to mention this 0, they write 18 and rest of their question go wrong. Be careful while you are dividing 216 by 2. So now I will divide this number 2 once again, because this is an even number. My answer will be 54. Again I will divide by 2, Answer will be 27. This is an odd number, so will not be divisible by 2. I know this number is divisible by 3. And 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. My prime factorization is complete. So can I write 1728 is equal to how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And how many 3's? 1 2 and 3. 1 2 and 3. Okay, so but in question we need to find out 1728 cube root. If I will take the cube root of this side, I have to take the cube root of this side as well. Inside a cube root, all numbers should be the cubes. Okay, so these three numbers will make 2 cube, right? These three numbers will make another 2 cube, and these three will make 3 cube. Okay, cube root will remove all the cubes, and we will have 2 into 2 into 3 alone. And what will be our answer? 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So yes, 1728 cube root is equal to 12. How easy this way is. How easy it is to find the cube root of any given number by using the prime factorization. Let's move to the C part. Okay, so in C part, they are saying find the cube root of 5832. Okay, so let's start solving this question, this part, by doing the prime factorization. So 5832, I will start dividing this number by 2 because this is an even number which I get to know by looking at the last digit. 2 2s are 4, 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, and 2 6 are 12. When I divide 5832 by 2, I get this answer. Now again I will divide this number by 2. When I divide this number by 2, I will get the answer 1458. Again I will divide this number by 2. This is an odd number, so will not be divisible by 2 anymore. So 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. This number will be divisible by 3. 243. 243 will also be divisible by 3. Okay, answer will be 81. When I divide 81 by 3, my answer will be 27. And 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so this means 5832 will be equal to how many 2's? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, how many 3's? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so one more thing, there is no composite number on this side, so this means we are doing prime factorization right, because there is no composite number on this side. Let's find out the cube root of this number. 5832. I'm taking the cube root of this number, so I have to take the cube root on this side as well. Inside a cube root, I will write answer in cubes. So these 3 2's will make a 2 cube. 1 2 3, these 3 will make a 3 cube. and these 3 3's will make another 3 cube, and cube root will eat all the cubes, and we will have 2 and 3 and 3. 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So our answer will be 18. So this means we can say that 5 8 3 2 cube root will be equal to 18. Very easy part. So let's move to the D part, which is pretty easy to solve. Cube root of 8000. Let's do the prime factorization first. I will divide this number by 2 and answer will be 4000. I will divide this number by 2 and I will get the answer 2000. I again will divide this number by 2 and I get 1000. Again I will divide this number by 2 and I get answer 500. When I take half of 500, my answer will be 250. Now again I will divide number 250 by 2. My answer will be 125. 125 is not an even number, so will not be divisible by 2. It will be divisible by 5. 25. When I divide 125 by 5, my answer will be 25. 25 is divisible by 5 and answer will be 5, and 5 ones are 5. My prime factorization is done. So can I say that 8000 will be equal to how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so I will write 2 6 times. 3 4 5 and 6, and I will write 5 3 times. 1 2 and 3. Okay, I have to take the cube root of 8000 on this side, so I will take the cube root on this side as well. 1 2 and 3, these 3 2 will make a 2 cube. Inside the cube root I will write the same answer in cubes. 1 2 and 3. Okay, so another 2 cube, and 1 2 and 3 5 cube. And as this cube root will see the cubes, it will come and eat all the cubes, because cube root loves to eat cubes, right? So 2 and this 2 and this 5 will multiply with each other. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So easy. Can I say that cube root of 8000 will be equal to 20? Yes. Now is the time for quick concept check. Quick concept check. What you guys will do, I'm going to give a question. You guys need to find out the cube root of number 13824 by using the prime factorization, by using prime factorization. And I'm waiting for your answers. Do share your answer in comments, and quickly give me, and please give me your feedback as well about the video. Hopefully you will find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. My channel name is Solve with Aman, and don't forget to share this channel with your friends, with your family. Thank you so very much for watching the video, and yes, I'm waiting for the answers of this cube root 13824. I'm waiting for the answers in comment. Thank you so very much for watching the video. Thank you.